Te Wānanga o Aotearoa is proud to host the first Youth Summit 2011 here at Tūranga Waewae Marae. We're excited to be able to bring together rangatahi here in this place to explore their passions and desires so that we can see whānau transformation through education.
So they've come here for 2.5 days. They get to stay on at Tūranga Waewae Marae, and for some of our young people, especially in our urban areas, this could be the first time that they've experienced a marae stay. So even that in itself is a huge experience for our young people.
We work with rangatahi from 13 all the way up to 24 from so many diverse backgrounds. Biggest challenge is seeing that those rangatahi have been excluded from school or have been abandoned by the people who are supposed to be supporting them the most. Seeing them get an opportunity to succeed, and a lot of the time that can be costly, but when they come through and they succeed, it's nothing like it, man.
We're doing drama, hip-hop dance, street art and music. So these are the 4 disciplines that we've identified that young people are getting into and that are really current nowadays. So we've got some fantastic facilitators. We have Tammy Davis, who you might know of TV program Outrageous Fortune as Munta. We also have the most awesome hip-hop artist, and that's Justin Haiu, who's, when you see that man dance, he's sharp as. We also have Graham Hoite, who's doing street art and is a renowned artist across New Zealand. And we've got a local band called Energy Rising, and one of our own staff members at Te Wānanga o Aotearoa, Jason Galu, who they're leading the music.
So we're working with local high schools in the Waikato region as well as alternative education providers from Hamilton and from Wainuiomata, giving our kids an opportunity to experience quality creative arts, quality tutors, quality food, quality experience so that they can have a great time and leave this place inspired, challenged, refreshed and prepared for what's ahead of them.